a very big event. How does it feel?
I'm so happy because Sonalika and Vishwajit Pradhan they are very good friend, very close friend. Sonalika, she's so sweet and she's very fashionable. She is very fashionable and smart and very excited. I hope it will be great. Last time I also was a part of that. I wore a gown. I was as a singer. I was like, oh,
Oh, you worked for Sonalika
yes,
before?
yes.
How was the experience?
Very good, beautiful. It's a new experience, but it's good.
How fashionable are you since it's a fashion event?
Yeah, you see my haircut and everything. I like all this.
If you could just give us one line, a best wishes for Sonalika and Vishwajit.
I wish all the best to Sonalika and Vishwajit Pradhan for their new new company, and it will be great. I believe that. Thank you.
Thank you. इधर सेंटर समाज शुरू करना all of you are straight, all of you. Sir, all of you. सही है. You all of you are. Thank you.
सर टर्न कीजिए
सर थोड़ा आगे जाइए. यहाँ पे
all of you मैम you मैम
यहाँ पे सही है.
वन मोर सर सामने
सर यहाँ पे
So yes, tell us something about All Together. Tell me.
अच्छा जस्ट वन मोर थिंग. हिंदी में बोले इंग्लिश में बोले
दोनों mix करो.
ओके जस्ट आस्क अगेन इंग्लिश. ओके
English. Okay, guys.
Osvegenza, Melbourne. I would attribute it to the vision and planning and passion of my wife Sonalika. As a fashion designer, she's been nurturing this dream since a long time. And what we've seen there, we felt that the fashion there is dependent a lot upon Bollywood of yesteryears and nowadays online and TV serials. So it was just a thing that we need to update what Indian fashion actually is. And Osvegenza Melbourne is an amalgamation of the best of fashion from not just India, but Pakistan, UAE, Sri Lanka, Australia. It's a sort of an Asia-Pacific confluence of fashion, art, Bollywood, paintings, singers, everything. Anything you want to add?
Yeah, being a designer, I find people are really keen to buy stuff there, but they don't know where to go. So through Osvegenza, we're just giving them the platform to the designers as well as people there. Like they want to go out, they want to spend money, but they won't get what they're exactly looking for. So they can come to Osvegenza, they can meet designers, they can buy stuff directly. I think people are not very happy with online shoppings nowadays. It's very in, but really people are not happy. They think, okay, we order something and we get something. So that's not the same stuff. So I think they just go, they watch the show, they buy it from the designers. So it's a good thing for Melbourne people.
Yeah, I mean, once we give them a choice that, all right, we'll bring you the best from India, the best from Pakistan, UAE, Sri Lanka. So they have the money. We want them to get more bang for their dollar, more satisfaction for their money. And it's both ways. And Osvegenza is a start. It's not just Australia, but we are looking at the whole world now. we'll keep moving the event the world over, but this is the first step.
So this is the first Osweginza
How did
2016.
this idea come about?
It's like I'm in Melbourne since 1 year. I keep doing shows there, and I find like people like they like my stuff, and they're very keen Indian Bollywood stuff and all that. They like my stuff, and they're like, okay, wow, it's so cool, and they are like, okay, like what if we can get more designers from India, from Pakistan, and from other places?
Yeah.
So that's why the idea came in my mind.
We've heard that a lot of Bollywood celebrities are coming part of this event. Who are the faces we have till now?
Well, Preeti Zinta is the
Main showstopper. Abhay Deol is there, and I think more are coming.
yeah, we have a number of
And a lot of designers.
Me.
people. Yeah, she is one celebrity, and we have a lot of people coming. But these are the names we are confirmed of till now, and of course, very popular designers like Archana Kochar.
Yeah, we have good names.
Yeah,
Archana Kochar is there, Shravan is there from Hyderabad, we have Rizwan Ahmed from Pakistan, we have Varian Marwa from Dubai, we have one brand from Sri Lanka, we have topmost designer from Australia, Erlene de Monte.
in fact,
Yeah.
from Sri Lanka, the designer we have, they are experts in swimwear, so they have fantastic swimwear. And because in Australia, it's summertime now. In another one's time, it will be summer there. So those designs are just perfect for Australia. So we have men's clothing, girls' clothing, swimwear,
We have all variety
Everything.
at those figures.
something for everybody.
Yeah. We have Western, we have Indo-Western, we have Indian, we have swimwear, we have tuxedos for guys. It's like variety. Yeah.
If we can say, if you all can together say, let's rock Osweginza Melbourne.
So let's rock Osweginza Melbourne. Let's rock Osweginza Melbourne.
That? Is that okay?
Ma'am, yeah. Just one more.
Center, center.
Excuse me, ma'am. एक सेकंड ये थामना जरा. Excuse me, ma'am.
So one step right, please. One step.
Yeah, all of you, ma'am, sir. Sir,
Center, center.
one more year, sir.
खाली सुनील के कैमरा.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys, here. Yes, straight, all of you. So hold on.
Yes, I'm already in Melbourne. Okay. Hi, yeah, looks like I'm already going to be in Melbourne because it's already feeling like that. So I'm really happy here to be at the pre-launch party, and I'm sure it's going to be great when it all happens in Melbourne in September.
You seem to be the perfect choice for an Osweginza event because you've always been stylish. You have, I think, as far as the musicians are concerned, you're one of the very few people.
I think
How
style.
fashionable do you think you are?
Well, I don't know if I'm fashionable. I think a lot of people have done a lot of things that I do, so I feel I must be a little bit fashionable to influence other people. But the thing is, I love being like this, you know. I love what I wear. I love it. So it makes me feel good, and I think that's part of my music and that's part of my soul. So I understand fashion from that perspective, that it, you know, is coming from your inner self.
If you could give your best wishes for Osweginza, Sonalika and Vishwadeep, and for Smita Thakre as well.
Okay, for Sonalika, right?
Sonalika and Vishwadeep.
So here's a good one for Sonalika and Vishwadeep, and you know, also Smita Thakre Foundation. Good one. You guys have a great one, and keep rocking like I do.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, excuse me. Yeah, thank you. चलो मैम your side ला. मॅम समोर लेफ्ट साइडला समोर मॅम. मॅम एक लाट समोर इकडे.
Yeah.
First of all, I'm so thankful I'm really thankful to both of them. They've taken an initiative to bring in this particular extravagant event in Melbourne. I'm part of it as an NGO. I'm so glad that they have incorporated my NGO and my work. They have appreciated it. Really looking forward to be there and of course spread the awareness, spread what my purpose is for over there. And of course Mukti is, you've been knowing that Mukti has been doing a lot of work for last 18 years, and people from abroad, if they are getting noticed by Mukti's work and getting me and my foundation incorporated in their event is really pleasure to me, and it's really great honor to me.
What are the
Thank you for compliment. I really don't follow any designers as such. Whatever I like, I just pick up. So I really don't know who designed it.
Sonalika, how do you feel about Smita being here today?
I already complimented her. She always looks so beautiful, and I already complimented her.
Talk about my work.
What do y'all have to say?
Better. You talk
Y'all
about.
have toned down particularly for
We are
this
very
event.
excited to have Smita ji and Mukti Foundation to come on board, and we thank her sincerely for being a part, and then we will do our best to support Mukti Foundation. And this is the first time Oz Veganza is doing such an event in a large scale, where it's becoming multicultural, where runway designers from many countries are being a part of this event, and it is getting recognized globally, especially the Indian fashion. So yes, it is a pleasure to have Smita ji a part of this event.
सोशल एक्टिविटीज में इतनी बिजी रहती है, उनके लिए कितना टाइम निकाल पाती है रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में?
If there is a will, there is a way. This is a very small way I can explain. I think that's a woman power, which I would like to definitely talk about it, which I'm taking it like I have initiated new franchise which is called We for India, and Mukti Foundation of course taking a lot of causes up till now, which is AIDS awareness and drug awareness and all those things. But this time we are concentrating more on for women. My target is to train 10,000 women this year. Of course, the next year I'm thinking of doing targeting it for 50,000. As the scenario which we are seeing it in India, I feel that to empower women is the need of or it's really necessity to empower women. And now you've seen in Olympic also. 2 women have been won. So definitely women, we have to educate them. We have to really empower in every which way, which my foundation is doing it, and the franchisee name is called We for India. So I would definitely like to tell all of them and take the support from the press also, that for my initiative I need your support so that I can target to empower my women of my country.
Towards your left, all of you.
All of you left side here. हां सगळे राईट इकडे सर थँक्यू
और एक मेरी अच्छी वाली एक मेरी अच्छी वाली
सर समोर
वेट नाउ नाउ विद द लेडी
या बोथ आर स्ट्रेट मैम स्ट्रेट मैम या बोथ लेफ्ट साइड सर यहां पे हां विनोद सर इकडे मैम
because I think that this is something different, and I'm saying the Indian fashion is going abroad, and especially to Australia, and I'm very proud that Smita Thakre Mukti Foundation is also associated with it, and I'm looking forward for it, because I think I wish all the very best to Vishwajit as well for his new concept, and I wish there will be a lot of people from different fields, and they'll be showing off their designing and all that, and I like to wish everybody all the very best, and especially to Vishwajit.
What do you have to tell us about Smita Thakure's women empowerment program?
Smita ji is like my sister, and her work is you can't express, and then you have to just see what exactly she does, but for women empowerment. And I wish her all the very best all the time, and my best wishes are with her, and I wish the way she looks into all the matters, and especially women empowerment. She's very good at it, and I know she will go a long way.
सामने सर
Vicky, come to
सोलो करो यार सोहेल भाई यहां पे राइट में सोहेल भाई रुको ना ये एक तरफ सोहेल भाई राइट में राइट साइड द लास्ट कॉर्नर भाई सेंटर में हाँ अरे इसका कैमरा मेरे में आ रहा है किधर जाएगा बोला है उनको सोहेल भाई यहाँ पे होल्ड ना भाई सेंटर में भाई सर यहाँ पे
How excited you are to be part of Osvaganza Melbourne here today?
No, fabulous. Yeah. In fact, me and Vishwajit have been friends for a very long time. I did my first film, Auzar, where Vishwa had played a key role in the film.
Ozar to Osvaganza. That's the secret.
So we don't meet on a regular basis, but I'm very fond of him, and when he messages me saying that he's doing this great event and this big launch, I wanted to be there for him, so I'm here to support him, and I don't think he needs any support, but as a friend I just feel that I should be a part of his happiness, and I'm here to be a part of his happiness.
Vishwajit, Sonalika, how do you all feel?
I am absolutely. I was not sure whether Sohail Bhai is coming in or not, and there were all the
He
other
is
guys.
always like this.
He is always Sohail Bhai who makes a surprise.
Yeah, surprise.
No. You know, the thing is that I've just been. My background is on, और मेरा जो background है अंधेरी में, तो आई डिडंट नो इफ आई कुड मेक इट ऑन टाइम, तो इसलिए मैं आई प्रॉमिस नहीं करना चाहता था विशु को कि मैं आ सकता हूँ कि नहीं आ सकता हूँ, लेकिन मुझे थोड़ा वक्त मिल गया तो आई ड्रोव डाउन टू विश हिम.
so much
नो
for
नो
coming.
दैट्स माय प्लेजर.
That's our pleasure.
एब्सोल्युटली कूल टुनाइट. तो आप किसी डिजाइनर को फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, आप जो दिल करता है वो मतलब वो फपता है, वो जिसका है आपका आपको.
एक कंफर्ट में बिलीव करता हूँ यार. हाँ, लेकिन जहाँ मतलब अच्छे कपड़े पहन के जाना पड़ता है वहाँ जाना पड़ता है, लेकिन बाकी का जो भी मुझे थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल लगे. I suppose fashion is being comfortable, so I like to be comfortable, and yeah, but without embarrassing anybody.
सो मैं अगर सोशल एक्टिविटी की बात करें तो बीइंग ह्यूमन सबसे ऊपर है. डोंट यू थिंक कि एक कुछ मतलब आप क्योंकि सलमान भाई और आप अरमान भाई इतना कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, कुछ आपकी तरफ से भी और कोई कुछ आएगा ऐसा ही कुछ बीइंग ह्यूमन की तरह जिसके लिए आप कुछ अलग से कुछ और कर पाएँ?
I think अभी तक तो जितना बीइंग ह्यूमन में कर रहे हैं, वी हैव नॉट इवन completed the spectrum of that that's concerned. अभी जो सलमान भाई प्लानिंग करे बीइंग ह्यूमन का, वो उसी में बहुत आगे बढ़ना है. तो आई डोंट थिंक विल डाइवर्ट इनटू एनीथिंग एल्स बट बीइंग ह्यूमन. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ दैट सलमान भाई इज स्टिल प्लानिंग फॉर बीइंग ह्यूमन.
कुछ नए आइडियाज़ जो आप देते हो तमाम भाइयों को, भाई ऐसा भी कर लो वैसा भी कर लो, कुछ ऐसी गुफ्तगू होती है भाइयों के बीच में, आप कुछ नए आइडियाज़ देते हैं उनको बीइंग ह्यूमन के लिए?
नहीं भाई, मैं इतना बीइंग ह्यूमन में इन्वॉल्व नहीं हूँ. वो एक डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट है जो बीइंग ह्यूमन चलाती है, एंड वी आर जस्ट हैप्पी to be a part of it, and wherever we can contribute to that, we contribute.
सोहेल भाई 3 की एलई रिलीज होने वाली है और उसका प्रमोशन जोरों शोरों से है. विश यू ऑल जस्ट फॉर दिस.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good luck.
At the launch party of Ozvaganza. ये पहली दफ़ा ऑज़वेगेंजा इवेंट कर रहे हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, मेलबर्न में. और मैंने देखा है कितने डेडिकेटेडली पूरी टीम काफ़ी बाहर आई है ऑस्ट्रेलिया से और सारा इवेंट पुट टुगेदर कर रही है. तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ इसमें हिस्सा लेने के लिए. एंड आई थिंक दिस विल बी अ ग्रेट इवेंट एंड इट विल बी बिगनिंग ऑफ अ होल न्यू प्रॉपर्टी दैट इज़ बीइंग क्रिएटेड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इन मेलबर्न.
Ma'am, what will be your role in this?
So in Ozvaganza, I am doing 2 rounds. I am doing the opening round in which I am going to be showcasing a collection which is made from a very special silk. It is a Himsa silk. I have made this silk along with very pure artisans and women weavers from the rural areas of India, from Jharkhand specifically. And we've made a whole collection from this fabric. This fabric is called a Himsa silk because it is made without killing a single silkworm. And we've made an entire collection, and this is what I'm going to be showcasing as my opening round. And in the closing round, we are dedicating our round to Mukti Foundation, and we are having a round where we are having Women of Substance walk. So we are, I'm very excited to be also supporting Mukti Foundation and their new venture, We for Women, We for India.
Ozvaganza is Sonalika Pradhan's and Vishwanath Pradhan's initiative. What do you, any best wishes for them?
I would like to wish Sonalika Pradhan and Vishwajit all the very best for this venture and all the ventures in their life.
आ गए साहेब.
सर इथून चालू करा इथून. सर सामने आ गए सर. होल्ड. सर इथे इथे. सर स्ट्रेट. सर वन वे सर. कभी भी साइड से मारा. सर सर. सर प्रोडक्ट. सर राइफल के सामने.
यही तो चलेगा।
राजपाल जी वेलकम, कैसा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे ऑस्वेगेंजा मेलबर्न में आके पार्टी में?
नहीं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और मैं पूरी टीम को बधाई देता हूँ। सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि मैं ही इज़ लाइक माई एल्डर ब्रदर टू मी। हमेशा हम लोगों ने बहुत, जब हम यहाँ मुंबई में पहली बार आए थे उस समय भी जब भाई मिले थे उस समय इनके साथ काम किया था, और आज 17-18 साल के बाद भी अगर हम एक दूसरे को मिल के, एक दूसरे को गले मिल के बधाई दे रहे हैं तो ये आई थिंक बाय ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड हो सकता है। पूरी टीम, पूरे अपने दिल से शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि इतना आगे बढ़े, इतना आगे बढ़े कि इसकी 25वीं बोलते ना गोल्डन और प्लेटिनम सब जुबलियाँ बने और हम सब उसके साक्षी बने।
Thank you so much.
नहीं, और अपना राजपाल भाई भी हमारे ही इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टैलेंटेड, मोस्ट एनर्जेटिक एक्टर्स, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स इन आवर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री। मतलब जिस इंसान को देख के ऑडियंस के चेहरे पे मुस्कान आ जाए मतलब सब परेशान है, सब परेशान है आज की तारीख में। दिल मांगे मोर ने सबको परेशान कर रखा है, और ये एक ऐसा इंसान है जिसको देख के इंसान अपनी टेंशन भूल जाता है। सो दैट्स अ फैंटास्टिक गिफ्ट।
He's really doing a very good job.
एब्सोल्युटली।
उसके लिए
Really
पूरा
good
जीवन,
job.
उसके लिए पूरा जीवन कमिटमेंट है।
रुलाना बहुत आसान है, हंसाना बहुत मुश्किल है। और राजपाल जी सबको हंसाते हैं।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
फाउंडेशन है, ऐसी कोई फाउंडेशन आपकी तरफ से कभी भविष्य में हो पाए या कुछ आपने सोचा हो कि मैं लाइफ में कैसा करना चाहूँ, लोगों के लिए, जो बच्चों के लिए, बूढ़ों के लिए?
एक GSF है, गाइडिंग स्टार फाउंडेशन, जिसकी लगभग स्थापना कर ही ली है और उसमें हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मुझे ऐसा लगा पिछले 18 साल में लगभग इतना सिनेमा करने का मौका मिला। एक होती है माँ जिसने जन्म दिया और एक है माँ वो जिसने जीवन दिया, और इस फैमिली में ये मुझे महसूस हुआ कि डांसर से लेके स्पॉट बॉय से लेके जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में बोलते हैं ना, एक फिल्म बनाने के लिए 200 लोग हिस्सा बनते हैं, तो अगर उनके लिए कुछ कर पाया ताकि उनकी दवाई हो सके, उनका काम हो सके। जब बोलते हैं ना, जब काम होता है, जब हम लोगों के पास शरीर होता है तो बहुत काम होता है, और जब शरीर काम ना करे और उस समय कोई अच्छा काम हो जाए तो वो बहुत अच्छा काम होता है। उसके लिए कुछ कर पाया तो ज़रूर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much.